Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart door lock 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Raycube Wi-Fi Electronic Door Lock. Brand name, Raycube. Model, RFG5 Plus. Support Wi-Fi connecting, 2U version. Material, aluminium alloy. Unlock mode, app, fingerprint, password, smart card, key. Fingerprint read, FPC sensor, semiconductor sensor. Color, gold black. Card user, 100. Fingerprint user: 100. Chip type, dual core driver. Read time, 0.3 seconds. Touchscreen, inlay material. Operating temperature, -25 to 55 centigrade. Password function, support virtual password. Suit for the door thickness about 35-100 millimeters. Inside locked switch, if turn on this switch, common user cannot open lock by fingerprint password card from outside. Unless the admin user can open lock from outside. Number 4. Yain Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. Brand name, Yain. Security biometric fingerprint intelligent lock with password or FID card. Remote unlock via Wi-Fi app, convenient and safe. Wi-Fi to Ya app smart lock, app remote management, door open and close, family member management. Yain Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. Panel size, 240 by 60 millimeters. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock method, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. M1 smart card unlock, support card unlocked, gently brush to unlock, easy to carry. Cylinder grade, C-grade blade cylinder. Applications, hotel, apartment, Airbnb, school, office. Functional wooden door. Lock body, single latch, double latch 5050 optional. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. Suitable for door thickness, 35 to 90 millimeters. Number 3. Fingerprint Door Lock. Waterproof fingerprint smart door lock. Works with TTA lock app. Fingerprint, 150 pieces. Password, no limit. Smart card, 150 pieces. Bluetooth, unlock by app. Battery size, 4 pieces AAA 1.5V. Support DC 12 volts input. Support scramble code. Work temperature, -20 to 55 centigrade. Fingerprint type, semiconductor embedded fingerprint. Button type, capacitive touch button. Bluetooth 4.1 Play, Android 4.3 iOS 7 above. 2 ways of power supply. Our lock can be charged by 4 pieces AA 1.5 volt batteries. A slow can connect a cable with 12 volt DC power supply and support wiring extra exit button. Number 2. Ospan Smart Electric Door Lock. Brand name, Ospan. Product material, zinc alloy. Unlock mode, app, Bluetooth, password, card, key, unlock. Security function, anti-theft alarm prompt function. Low battery warning function. Installation requirements, door thickness, 38 to 120 millimeters. Door type, wooden door, security door. 5A diamond screen, durable, wearable, comfortable. Biometric fingerprint head, high precision, fast recognition, 0.3 seconds. Anti-theft design, automatic alarm sound. 365 days battery life. Number 1. Aqara Smart Door Lock. Brand name, Aqara. Model number, N200. Smart door lock fingerprint Bluetooth password NFC unlock. Works with Mihia Apple HomeKit smart linkage with doorbell. Material, zinc alloy, aluminum alloy. Encryption chip, MJSC, Apple MFI. Doorbell function, support. Support app, Mi Home, Apple Home. Anti-cat eye unlock, support. Power supply, 8 AA batteries. Battery is not attached to the product. Customer self-preparation. Door type, wooden door, security door, copper door. User capacity, 50 fingerprints, 50 permanent passwords, 25 NFC devices, 25 periodic temporary passwords, 8x one-time temporary passwords, wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.0, MIHI Apple security chip, integrated panel, handle design, frosted texture door lock frame and handle, anti-fingerprint residue handle, 100,000 hand press tests, aluminum alloy one-piece structure, IML scratch resistant panel, reliable Japan-made Mabuchi clutch motor.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.